afternoon. My name is Marek Kamiński and I am from Gdańsk, Poland. I'm an explorer, philosopher and social innovator with over 30 years of experience. I hold a Guinness World Record for reaching both the North and South Pole in 1 year, in 1995, both without external assistance, and for reaching the South Pole on my own. In 2005, I led the first ever polar expedition to both poles with a young disabled person. Among my numerous journeys, I crossed the Gibson Desert in Australia on foot, took part in the National Geographic expedition to the source of the Amazon, and completed 4,000-kilometer pilgrimage from Russia to Santiago de Compostela in Spain, through Berlin, from Kaliningrad to Santiago de Compostela, and I walked through all the Berlin and all Germany. I have written 13 books and given lectures around the world, and I'm the founder of Kamiński Institute and Foundation. Last year, I successfully completed my 144-day no-trace expedition project, and I traversed 30,000 kilometers through 9 countries, from Poland to Japan and back, in an electric car, leaving behind 0 CO2 emissions. This year, I will be taking the no-trace concept to a new level. In October, I will undertake the Artificial Intelligence No-Trace Expedition, or AINTE for short. I will travel through 20 countries around the world, starting in London, England, through Europe, Turkey, Iran, India, China, South Korea, Japan, and the United States. Once again, I will be going on this journey in a zero-emission car, but this time I will be not alone. Meet my travel companion, Noah, the humanoid robot. She will be joining me on the first expedition featuring a robot and a human circumnavigated the world in an electric car. Noah can speak, ask people questions, and record their replies, play multimedia projections from her head, and move around the stage with me during the presentation. Everyone will be able to track our progress via our website and social media channels, to see the world through Noah's eyes. She will be streaming entire journey online. But why go around the world with a robot? I am an explorer, so it is my purpose to cross the frontiers of human limits. I have done that with physical and mental frontiers when I reached the North and the South Pole. I have attained my spiritual destination when I arrived to Santiago de Compostela, and I have pushed the limits of how far we can travel in a passenger vehicle without producing carbon emissions. The time has come to set our eyes on a new frontier, the relationship between people and artificial intelligence, and the challenges we face together. And I believe that there is no greater challenge facing us today than human-made climate change. Scientific research shows that with tiny increases in the global temperature levels, the consequences will become more and more severe. These consequences must remain manageable. This is why we must make technology our partner in developing sustainable solutions. We need to abandon wasteful use of oil and fossil fuels in favor of economical and intelligent use of renewable energy. Saying goodbye to an excessive resource-consuming lifestyle in a well-developed countries and regions will lead to a better world, and in turn help us find new models of economical and social justice. The energy sector has long recognized the power of artificial intelligence with existing technologies that go well beyond smart systems that can turn the lights on and off. These technologies offer a wide spectrum of approach to reducing the causes and effects of climate change. The benefits of artificial intelligence are numerous. It can rapidly and accurately perform tedious tasks, and it is not motivated by evil, greed, or self-interest. But adapting new technologies can be a long, slow process, often accompanied by reluctance and skepticism. By going around the world in an electric car, together with Noah as my co-driver, I hope to overcome, yes, this is my route, entire route. I hope to overcome my own reservations to new technologies by building my relationship with Noah based on trust and codependence. We will share the high and low points of our journey and lead by example how people and technology can work, innovate, and succeed together. Our mission can be summed up in 3 points. Singularity. If humanity used technologies for their intended purpose, we could create a fairer society on all levels. In this sense, artificial intelligence does not exist to create superhumans, but to make humans more super. Sustainability. We want to raise awareness of the urgent need to keep our carbon footprint to a minimum. Social empowerment. Accessible technology and education result in increased social empowerment, autonomy, and self-determination. This means people can better represent their interests and make informed decisions. During our 4-month adventure, Noah will be collecting data for her global climate change report. Our car will be fitted with pollution detectors, one of which, the Airly, this is the pollution air detector from Poland that I will leave, one of them I will leave here in this place in Berlin. Along the way, we will be visiting places where technology is positively used to reduce and reverse the effect of the climate change. We will be also meeting with many people to tell them about our mission and to listen to what they have to say about artificial intelligence technology in the fights against the climate change. We hope for AINTE 2019 to create new mindset by connecting people with technology and raising awareness of what can be achieved with the help of artificial intelligence. So please keep your fingers crossed as this robot and this human join forces to create a better world. Thank you. Thanks for joining us today and then on the road. And of course, we are open to partners around the world. You can get in contact with me today in any time you like through any channels you want. We are at the end of the great event, and you will see me next year with a heavy load of results. See you at BEAT ATD 2020. Goodbye.